Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my chicken sauce. The recipe that I'm going to be using for my chicken sauce are chicken breast, boneless chicken breast, spring onions, corn, peanut oil, cooking cream, onions, dried pepper, black pepper, white pepper. Here I have ginger and garlic powder, rosemary, curry powder, and seasoning. First, I will start by seasoning my chicken. Inside there, I have my chicken, the boneless chicken with all the seasoning inside. I will be adding white pepper, little bit peanut oil, or mix together. I'm done mixing it. I will cover it with my foil paper. I will let it to marinate at least for 1 hour. I will be adding my peanut oil, This is how my chicken looks like after 1 hour. I will leave it to cook. I will be turning it to the other side. The chicken is ready. I'm taking it out. I will be adding the other chicken. My onions. White pepper. Dried pepper, I will be adding my cooking cream now. my base. This is optional. I will leave it to cook for 7 to 10 minutes. My chicken sauce has been cooking for 10 minutes now. It's time for me to add my spring onion. Chicken sauce is ready. You can eat it with rice, pasta, whatever you want. It tastes really nice. This is how my chicken sauce looks like. If you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you for tuning in. See you on my next video. Bye. Love you all.